Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Imagination Insight, a place that has the answers to all your questions. Oftentimes, when we look at the seas, the hills, the lakes, we feel like everything is so huge around us. Earth is a very big place. But it is when we look at the stars, the galaxies, we realize that Earth is nothing but a very tiny speck in the huge plane of the cosmos. When we look at the countless nebulas, the stars, even our own sun, the Earth stands nowhere around them in terms of size. But every great thing has a very humble beginning. So does our universe. If you look at how our universe started, scientists claim that it was due to a Big Bang, an explosion so huge that it resulted in the formation of our cosmos. Technically speaking, Big Bang is nothing but the end point of the previous universe and the beginning point of the next universe. After the Big Bang, there was nothing but a cloud of gases, dust, and very hot smoke. That cloud of gases and dust condensed eventually and started forming stars. That were the primordial stars. These stars forged the elements that we know in our periodic table. These elements got scattered throughout the universe as soon as the stars died. And then these elements again condensed and formed the hard or the rocky materials that were the base of asteroids, planets, and many other things. The stars that died also left new elements to be condensed again and form new stars. This dying and birth of stars actually shaped the cosmos. So after this ruckus and the humdrum of the universe, somewhere in a distant part of the universe there was a new star. That was our sun. The cloud of gases and dust surrounding the sun slowly condensed and got accumulated into rocky spheres that formed the terrestrial planets. The outer planets got gases. These gases condensed and formed the outer four planets that were the gas giants. The thing separating these gas giants from the terrestrial planets was an asteroid belt. These asteroids also helped in the formation of our Earth. As a juvenile, the Earth was nothing but a flaming hot ball of lava and magma. As it cooled down, it was bombarded by meteorites and asteroids from all over the space. These meteorites and asteroids brought the very ingredient that was needed for the formation of life on Earth. That was water. As the Earth cooled down, the water vapor in the surroundings condensed and formed huge oceans and seas. This was the perfect ingredient for life to begin. That time, the sea was nothing but a huge soup of amino acids and many inorganic proteins. Somehow, somewhere, due to the chance, some amino acids got clustered together and formed the primordial DNA or the first genetic material. This was the beginning of life. The first living life form was said to be an archaebacteria or maybe halophytes. These were the earliest known ancestors of all life on Earth. If we look at the theory of evolution by Charles Darwin, he states that all life on Earth has come or is originated from one pre-existing ancestor. And if you ask me, I believe there is some truth to this hypothesis. Look at us. Everywhere we are connected to each other in some way or the other, be it human to animal, or human to plant. All of us live together and survive with a very intricate system of taking and giving. As of now, we all know that humans aren't doing much to preserve the earth, rather, we are doing more to deteriorate it. And now we are planning to leave Earth and go to Mars. And this brings me to my final question. Do we really need to go and colonize Mars when we can use all that resources to make Earth a better place for every organism to live inside of it?